Good evening. Happy Deepavali, happy Diwali to one and all. This great occasion could not have happened without your sponsorship. I want a great round of hands for those donors who have made this possible for us today. Without our volunteers and those of you who have contributed to today's function, we could not be enjoying it. A round of applause for them. A great round of applause to our great MCs here, without whom we cannot be on time and we cannot do very well. Thank you very much for coming today. So I was asked to talk a little bit about Diwali and what it means. My small handout is on your desks. To many of you, you know what Diwali is all about. It's a Sanskrit term, Deepavali, which means an array or a row of lights in Sanskrit. Why do we have light? Light is there to serve only one purpose: getting rid of darkness, dispelling darkness. You know very well that light and darkness cannot exist together. It's simply impossible to do that. So, light represents good, darkness represents evil. One cannot be juxtaposed to another. I don't need to elaborate upon this simple truth. To very many Hindus amongst ourselves here today, you know very well the number of occasions why Diwali is very important. The killing of the demon Naraka by Sri Krishna. The return of Lord Rama after 14 years of Vanavasa, which means he was exiled, and the destruction of Ravana. For Jains is the enlightenment of Lord Mahavira, the great Tirthankara. And for Sikhs, of course, is the release of Guru Hargobind Singh Ji. So what it really means is we are always redeemed ourselves. Now, if I would ask each one of you to just lift your heads up right to the saying on the top of this stage, what one of our great leaders of this country has said, Lincoln, that this nation under God shall have a new birth of freedom. Each one of you is given an opportunity to have a freedom every year. So when you talk about the significance of what Diwali is about, what Deepavali is about, for each one of you, all of us, it means we renew our goals. Positive achievement, forgetting about what has happened very bad in the last year. Finding new friends. Rekindling old friendships. Some friendships that are completely lost. More importantly, making new ones. Doing something better. That is what means lighting a lamp. A proverbial lamp that you and I will light each and every year so that we dispel sorrow, unhappiness amongst ourselves. That's the modern meaning of Diwali. Diwali is a celebration because we have achieved something for ourselves and we have gotten better. I want each one of you to be that lamp and the light and be a shining example. Each one of you. You and I, all of us, one small lamp at a time can brighten this room, can brighten this world. You, I, and all of us are the small garlands that make this community in Racine, this great nation of America, and this world and mankind better. I ask each one of you to join me, finding a new person in this room, somebody you do not know. Go out there and shake their hands and say, let us light the lamp together. Today we have two great organizations, one in Racine, Families in Transition. I did not know this myself. Each and every day, as you and I sit down in this room, comfortable, cozy, being able to eat, there are approximately 500 children homeless. 500 children homeless in America, in Racine, in the year of 2013. Please help them. Light that lamp. Join us in dispelling their sorrow. Make their lives better. Thank you. Welcome to this great organization.